This is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and in today's video I will show how you can find and see how much internal storage you have on this device. So first step is to open settings, then enter the about phone category, and in here here is this rectangle that says storage, which already shows the general idea on how much storage you have in total and how much of it is being currently in use. Or you can also tap on it, it's well clickable, and at the following page you can see a bit more detailed list of specifications. So in here it also shows how much memory you have, how much is occupied, and how much is respectively free, and also you can see what is that occupying your memory exactly. You can also tap the clear button and perform a brief storage or internal memory cleanup. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.